Okay, so now the next widget is image widget. So let's just continue in this particular Happy New Year landing page only. So let's suppose if somebody is clicking on my story. So what is happening on my story is they're going to my story page 1. So let's edit this my story page 1. Now inside this is my story page 1 text widget, and after that let's suppose we want an image to be displayed, which is like for Happy New Year. All right, and let's click on image for that, so that image pops up over here, and I'll just minimize this. Let's click on upload your picture, and for this I will just select any screenshot, like let's suppose I would select any of the picture like this. All right, so I have this picture of mine with a quote, which I'll just, so it's a dummy image which I'm using. It's not a Happy New Year image. And make sure guys, whenever it is this kind of error, that symbol which was there, if you are able to see that, it means that that particular widget has some problem or it is incomplete. So right now the image was uploading, and because of that it was an error, but as soon as it gets uploaded it is gone. That particular thing is gone. So now we have an image, and let's test our Happy New Year landing page once again. So let's click on test this page, and this would open up once again. So the bot has started from here once again. Or let me do one thing. Let me just delete this conversation so that you don't get confused. So now it will once again start. So test this page, and this is where it is starting. So this is where you put information, blah blah blah. Now I have to click on my story, and this is my story page 1, and we have the image as well. All right, so that's how you use this image thing. So if you want to pass on a message, how I particularly use, let me just show it to you. If I go into Chatbot Builder, and if I go into my active bot right over here, Digital Pratik new landing page. So this is the picture, and let me just test this page. All right, so I have a different account for this one. So what I'll do is, rather than testing this page, I would open up a new tab, and I'll just write digitalpratik.com/bot. And it will open up the actual bot. Because my bot is live, so it has no problem with that. So there is this image which is going on, and then the things get started. All right, so hey Radhika is just the dummy name for the account which I'm using for testing purpose of this particular one. Right, so see, at times that button would go like this, overlap, but that only happens when you are testing, or maybe when you are using a different browser like Safari, or when you are just using it on desktop. Most of the times Messenger, 99% of the times people would be accessing Messenger on phones, so you can do anything. This is like a bug in Facebook Messenger, so this is not you who can rectify this, but this is how I particularly use my image. So over here I have an image, then I have an image over here. So what I'll do is, once somebody clicks on this, and I will also, so there is a conversation which is going on, so I create special images like this, and blah 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 blah, and then I have a menu as well. So let's suppose, and obviously I will be showing you how to create these kind of menus and how do you do things like that. But if I scroll, if somebody wants to call, I accidentally clicked on that. But let's suppose if somebody wants to call me and book a call consultation. So what I have is this particular landing page, which I'll show you in a while. Let's just wait for it. So this is the page where they land on, and once they click on schedule your call now, one specific bot for calling starts. All right, one specific bot from here for calling starts. So I have a specific image. Just because it's for calling, I create a call kind of image. so that it plays with the psychology. It should have a psychological impact, your messages, your images, and everything. Then once again, I have this particular small little image, and this small little bot, if I show you on my bot page, let me just go into pages. So I've created a separate bot. As I was telling you, we create bots, like multiple bots within one single bot. But how to do that? You create different groups, or now it is called folders. Earlier it was known as groups. But if I search for Digital Pratik calls, digital marketing consultation call, nope, not this one. Where it is? VIP squad. I guess I've changed the name or something like that. Consultation call. So this is all right. So this is the page. All right, consultation call. So once somebody is tapping on any button which is linking to this particular, what do you say, this particular page, then it will have this sign, and that is what you are able to see. The first thing. Then second is this image widget where I have uploaded this image. Then the third thing is text image or text widget. So I have simply put up just this much of text, and I have not used button. So it is not compulsory to use this button all the time. You can keep it empty, all right? And you can just use this text widget as only text widget. And then I have this typing widget, which I'll be showing you later on. Then once again I have text, then once again typing, then once again image, then once again text, and then button, click and schedule. All right, so this is how I have created this consultation page. But just see, this particular page has only text and image. All right, 99% of the complete bot flow is text and image. This typing widget is something which I'll show you later on, but rather let me just show it to you in this particular image widget only. Typing is nothing but, if we click on more and if we go to typing, typing is nothing but when you want a delay, when you want something like a delay kind of thing where it shows you typing effect. So if I click on this particular bot once again, or let me just visit this, let me just go back. If I click on this once again, it will start the bot, and I will show you where it will show the typing effect. There you go. This is Digital Pratik is typing. This is Digital Pratik is typing. So after two of the text widget, I have this typing widget, and because of which there is an effect. All right, because of which there is an effect. So you can increase this typing seconds and all those things. So that's our typing widget. So this video had a bonus thing along with the image. I also showed you typing. So that's how you use image widget, and I look forward to see you in the next one.